Sir Mike, kumusta na po kayo ngayon after your medical leave? Ano po yung maaaring bahagi sa amin po?
Yung pinagdaanan ko medyo mahirap, Alan, because aside from the procedure itself, the kidney transplant, merong 3 months mandatory isolation period for transplant patients. And the purpose of that is to avoid the rejection and infection. Kasi yung mga kidney transplant patients, immunocompromised sila eh. Tapos, tulad ko, may mga comorbidities pa ako, senior citizen, diabetic, etc. etc. Ang ma-share ko lang sa mga dadaan sa pinagdaanan ko is keep the faith. Never lose faith. Keep the faith, and I tell my friends and my classmates 2 things you will need. I also had a heart transplant, heart bypass operation in 2018. Sabi ko, you need 2 things. You need prayer and you need humor. Pag wala kang prayer, saka wala masyado kang seryoso sa buhay mo, walang mangyayari sa'yo. And so far, it has worked for me.